Hello dear students, welcome to my class. In last lecture, we learned the lessons which are related to history from EVS, like getting to know the place we live in, our village, our city, my school, and my family and home. Today, we are going to learn the next lessons which are related to EVS 2. Lessons are our community life and public services for community life. So let's start with our lesson our community life. Students, here you can see the two pictures. What differences do you see in the two pictures shown above? In one picture, the girl sitting quiet, feeling little bit sad. In second picture, girl feeling very happy, she is dancing, and one girl and boy. You can understand it may be her friends. She is feeling very happy because of them. Whose company do you enjoy? Normally, we like company of our family members, friends, our neighbor, children. How do you decide which game to play? Here one of the biggest question we can see, it comes in your mind, which game should we play? We like the company of other people. At home, we live with our parents. We also have neighbors. We miss our friends if we can't meet them. We miss even our pets when they are not around. People like to live in group. Living in the company of our family, neighbors, and other people means living in a community. The community means actually, students, the group of people come together. In that we can say our family members comes, in our neighbors or other people who lives in our area. That is called community, we can say. Here you can see three pictures. A girl talking to a group of children. She is expressing something to her friends. Children holding hands in a circle. They are playing in a group, helping a boy who has fell off his bicycle. People came to help that boy. Community life is interdependent. We all need community life. If we don't have friends and other people around us, who will we speak to? Who will we share our joy and sorrow with? Friends, it's correct. If nobody with us, how can we speak to them? And how will or whom we can share our joy and happiness, even our sorrow also? In a community, we get companies, we feel secure in the company, we help them and they help to us. This is known as cooperation. Mutual cooperation is the greatest benefit of community life. Rules needed to build this cooperation. Here, some questions always comes in your mind. What if there were no farmer? What if there were no school? What if there were no hospitals? What if there is no garbage pickup? Our daily needs are fulfilled in a community. Education and health facilities for everyone can be developed in a community. Goods have to be produced to satisfy needs. This is called production of goods. The process of reaching those goods to people is called service. Production and service are both necessary to satisfy needs. Many people contribute to this. One person cannot produce everything. Either can he give all service by himself. Community life is interdependent. Rules for living in a community. Rules are necessary for smoothing running of community life. We have to deal with other people in our community all the time. For smooth running of day-to-day affairs, everybody has to follow certain restrictions. These are known as rules. Rules bring discipline to community life. Here you can see girls playing Kho-Kho, but they are following all the rules which are made for these games. Girls are sitting in the box and they need to run in that square only. So the children, those who are playing in game, they are from the childhood only learn the rules how to follow it. Now our next lesson, public services for community life. What do you see, students? Correct, a water tank. Water tank you have also seen in our locality. They also build a water tank where we store the water, and from there the water supplies goes and all the people get the water in their home or households. In the next picture, what you see? Primary healthcare center, or we can say hospital. Here we'll get treatment. If we get burn, illness or fever, we go to the primary healthcare center and take a medicine or get a regular checkup. Police chowki. The police chowki give a protection to us in our city and protect from the thieves and other things. Bus, we can say bus transport. It's a transport services which help us to go to one place to another with the help of bus or other transport. Natraj theatre. This help us to get entertained. We can go for movie or drama, or we can for the shows which we get entertained. Prabhat toilet. In emergency we went out, and if we get emergency we want toilet, so public toilets also there. It's also come in the services. Swimming pool for the public. We also go for the evening in a week for swimming, and there are also a lot of other people also coming to swim there. It's a public pool, we can say. Here you can see the two picture. A girl visiting a bank with her father, and second picture, girl and inland letter. Students, I can tell you, you also have visited so many times a bank with your father or mother or your grandparents, and maybe sometime you have visited the post office also, there where we can share the letters or we can put the letters there and collect also. Students, can you tell me what is this? Super spinning mill. There are different mills are there which are help us to generate high quality, or we can say high products. In that mill, somewhere rice mills are there, cotton mills are there, cloth mills are there. So nowadays these are so many new mills came, but in olden days these were very small scale work, but nowadays it's in very big scales we are producing things. Dairy. You can see this picture, the truck with the milk tanker and the persons coming there and collecting the milk in one dairy. But in olden days, in a village, those who having buffaloes or cows, they only produce the milk and distribute only that area. But nowadays the milk were produces all over the street, or we can say in the abroad also, in out of the country, and so many new products were was getting out from the milk or dairy products. The picture above shown that service available in a village which where other services are available in your place. Public services are provided to us out from the money collected for from us as a tax. We must use them carefully. Sometimes public services are overbranded, but we can solve this crisis by working together. The local government provides the service of water supply and public hygiene. But we need many more service. You must have seen a bank in your city or village. People put their money into a bank. The money is kept safe there. People can save their money. They can withdraw that money from the bank when they are needed it. Bank also offer them loan to the needy people. Hope students you understood lesson very well. I'm sending a PDF notes to you. You need to write into your old EVS notebook. Thank you.
Yeah.